Good morning, Standard 3. Children, now I am going to explain you the topic sorting desktop icon given at the page number 22. Given at page number 22. Okay. Sorting desktop icon. Okay. The topic about the part of desktop window we have done in the conference class. Okay. Now, because these things were not appearing clearly है ना during the conference class, so I am making video for this. Okay, now sorting desktop icon. To do sorting of icons means icons you can see are scattered here है ना. Some are icons are here at this place and some are means these icons are not in arranged form. Okay, so we can arrange them. We can arrange these icons. To do this, you have to do right click. Okay, which click? Again, see, this is the empty area, no icon is here. Okay, so here do right click, press right button of mouse. Now this is shortcut menu. Okay, this is shortcut menu appears. You can call it right click menu, you can call it context menu. Okay, many names are there of this menu. Okay, now in this menu there is sort by option. Okay, in this menu you can see here sort by option. When you click on, you place the pointer here, no, so it shows you different options. How do you want to sort icons? According their name, according their size, according the item type, or according the date modified. Okay, 4 options it gives you. Okay, these are 4 options. Operating system provides you these 4 options to sort the icons. So here, according the name, I am going to sort. I am going to arrange these icons according to their name. Okay, click on name. Now you can see the icons are arranged now. Okay, all icons are arranged. Clear? Okay, according to the name. Previously all icons were here, no, scattered all over the screen, but now you can see all icons are arranged, है ना? So this is the sorting. This is called sorting of icons. Now icons, these icons you can hide them. Okay, now to hide these icons, if you don't want icons on your desktop screen, okay, if you don't want icons, so you can do this. Do right click again in empty area. Done. Now go to the view option. Okay, here you see this is view option. Okay, now when you place pointer over the view option, no, so it shows you this option, show desktop icons. Okay, many options are there, but to hide these icons, no, so there is one tick mark. This is called check. This is called check. When you click over it, this will be unchecked. Okay, now see, you can see there is not any icon, means icons are invisible now. Okay, है ना? So this is called hiding of icons. This is called hiding of icon. It is very simple. Do right click in the empty area. Okay, go to the view. Now this option, when you check this one, this tick mark. Okay, now see, icons again came on the screen, visible now, है ना? So you can hide icons. Icons can be hidden. Okay, to do this you have to do right click. Okay, right click on the desktop area. Here right click, press right button. Okay, then go to the view option, first one, then go to this one here, show desktop. There is tick mark, no, when you click on this tick mark will be removed and icons will be removed from the screen. Okay, see, again removed, no icons are here, है ना? So to bring back these icons again, go to the view and now again click on show desktop icon. Okay. So I hope you understood now. Now next topic is given changing desktop background. This background, no, this is Windows logo background. By default operating system gives you this one, this background. Okay, this background, it comes by default. Default means this is the operating system option. Okay, operating system chosen this background, but if you want to change it, you can do. For this again you have to right click, do right click. Okay, here it is personalize option at the bottom of this shortcut menu. Okay, personalize, and this is desktop background. Okay, here is the option desktop background, click over it is. Okay, now it is showing you many options. Okay, it's showing you now many options. You can drag different pictures. Okay, many pictures are appearing now. Whichever you want, okay, you can choose. Suppose this scenery, if you want, you can do. Click on it. Okay, click the scenery picture and then click on save changes option here at the here. Okay, save changes option. Now close this window, click on close. Here you see background is changed. Okay, so changing the desktop background, it is very easy, children. You can do it very easily. Do right click. Again I am doing right click. This is shortcut menu. At the bottom of this menu, personalize option is there. Click over this. Now here come to the desktop background option. This one, click on it. Okay, now it is showing you different pictures. Whichever picture you like. Okay, suppose this one. Okay, select. Click over the picture which you like for the desktop background. Okay, click, and then you have to select save changes option. Save changes option. Click here. Then click close this window. Close. You see desktop background is changed. Okay, wallpaper you can change. It is very easy. Now children, our next topic is how to change the screensaver. Okay, setting the screensaver. Screensaver actually, no, it is a pattern of moving pattern. Okay, animation, moving animation. Whenever your computer is off, means you are not using the computer. Okay, your computer is on, but you are not working on the computer. Okay, so that time, no, you can set some animation or moving patterns on the screen. Okay, so this can be done. Okay, the moving pattern, that animation, okay, which comes when your computer is idle. Computer is idle means you are not using the computer and computer is on. So that period, the animation comes, no, that is called screensaver. That is called screensaver. Now see, to set the screensaver, we have to go to personalize option. Okay, now this is screensaver. Here, screensaver, click on this. Now this window has appeared now. Okay, now this here you can set any animation. I am choosing bubble. Okay, I am choosing here bubbles. Okay, it's preview. You can see bubbles are appearing. This is preview. Okay, this is called preview, bubbles. Okay, now you have to set the time. After how many minutes this will appear? So 1 minute. I am going to set it for the 1 minute. This is wait time. After 1 minute, when your computer become idle now, okay, after 1 minute, this will start coming on the screen. Click on the OK button. At the last, click on OK. Done. Now you have to wait for the bubbles. Okay, you will not touch any computer part. Okay, keyboard and mouse, and you will see after 1 minute automatically these bubbles will appear on the screen. Okay, these bubbles start coming on the screen. This is called screensaver. Okay, this animation, this moving pattern is called screensaver. Okay, so it is very easy. You have to right click on the empty area of the desktop. Okay, empty area of the desktop, and personalize option comes in the pop-up menu, or you can call it shortcut menu, personalize option. Then in that you have to click on screensaver option. Okay, now you can see bubbles start coming, है ना? So this is screensaver. Okay, 1 minute, after 1 minute when computer become idle, so I set their time 1 minute's time. You can see bubbles are appearing here. Okay, this is moving pattern, you can call it. It's an animation of bubbles. Okay, this is animation of bubbles. Okay, so this animation, it is called screensaver. This is called screensaver. So screensaver, here you have to choose this. Okay, from here you have to choose. Number of options are here. I chosen this bubbles option. Okay, and then you have to set time also, for how many minutes, after how many minutes this will appear. Okay, so this is for the time setting. Wait button is given here, wait button. Okay, 1 minute I choose. So I hope you understood how to set the screensaver. Okay, how to set the screensaver. And when you start moving the mouse or you touch the keyboard, this animation will be removed. See? Okay, so when you start working on computer, automatically this screensaver will disappear. Okay, so I hope you understood, children. This topic we have done. Okay, rest topics we will do in the conference class. Bye, children.